How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
How old are you?
I'm 21 years old.
How tall are you?
I'm 1 meter 75 centimeters.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people in my family: my mother, my father, my sister, and me.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have a sister. I don't have any brothers.
How many pets do you have?
I have a dog and 2 cats.
How do you get to your English class?
I go by bike, or sometimes I walk.
How do you get to work?
I normally drive to work.
How many times a week do you do exercise?
I do exercise 2 or 3 times a week.
How much free time do you have?
I have free time at the weekends. During the week, I don't have a lot of free time.
How often do you have English classes?
I have English classes twice a week.